Hello, and I will explain about the international free trade, which my friend Muhammad Aiman. Okay, first definition of free trade occurs when there are no artificial barriers put in place by government to restrict the flow of goods and service between the nations. One of artificial barriers, as we know, is tariff and tax taxation. Okay, next is advantage of free trade. The price is usually as low as possible, good for companies and shoppers. And second, it encourages producers to make their product as cheaply as possible and increase the production efficiency, foreign exchange gains, employment, economic growth, higher employment rate, and access to new markets. Okay, disadvantage of free trade is producers have to accept a low price for the product. They may really rely on pencari labor to keep costs down. And next point is economy becomes dependent on global market. Free trade can lead to pollution and other environment problems. And next is non-cooperation of countries, dumping and harmful products. Okay, next point is effect of globalization. Okay, in industry, emergence of wide production market and broad access to a range of products for customer and companies, particularly movement of material and goods between and within national boundaries. International trade in manufactured goods has increased more than 1,100 times from 95 billion to 12 trillion since 1955. For example, China's trade with Africa rose sevenfold during 2000 and until 2017 alone. For financial, emergence of worldwide financial market and better access to internet financing for borrowers. By the early part of the 21st century, more than 1.5 trillion in national currencies were traded daily to support the expand levels of trade and investment. Next, in economy, realization of global common market based on freedom of exchange of goods and capital. And next is job market. Competition in global job market. In the past, the economic fate of workers were tied to the fate of national economies. Within the advent of the information age and improvement in communication, that is no longer the case. And next is political. Some use globalization to mean the creation of world government which regulates the relationship among governments and guarantees the right arising from social and economic globalization. Politically, the United States has enjoyed a position of power among the world powers, in part because of its strong and wealthy economy.
Okay, so next, for the first graph is when the world price is above equilibrium. Okay, benda ni jadi kalau sebab bila the supplier jual harga pada harga world price, so dia punya harga tu akan berada di atas, so dia akan memberi kesan loss untuk consumer surplus dan bagi gain untuk producer sebab producer dapat jual dengan harga yang lebih tinggi sebab dia boleh jual dengan harga world price berbanding dia jual dengan harga domestic market. Okay, so for the next graph, okay, so for the next graph dia terbalik. Yang ni sebab producer tu dia tak dapat nak apa, dia tak dapat nak jual pada world market, so dia akan menyebabkan keuntungan. Dia akan berikan gain untuk consumer surplus dan loss untuk producer surplus. Beza dia dengan graf yang tadi, graf yang pertama tadi dia punya equilibrium dekat atas, yang ni dia belah bawah. Okay, so for the last one. Okay, so ni bila graf ni bila ditambah dengan takrif, yang ni saya tak apa nak faham bila.
Okey, tengok balik yang sebelum ni. Lagi satu. Okey, ini adalah bila dia mengenakan world price di bawah equilibrium, betul kah?
Betul tu.
Okey, so dia akan dapat untung pada consumer tapi rugi pada producer, betul?
Betul.
Okey, the next. Yang sebelum tu? Sebelum tu lagi, warna pink. Okey, yang ni pula jika harga itu dikenakan world price pada harga world ini pula pada atas equilibrium. Yang ni pula kerugian pada consumer dan juga keuntungan pada surplus. Okey, yang satu lagi tu awak tak perlu risau. Nanti bila kita tengok soalan final baru kita akan mengaplikasikan benda ni. Jadi kita lebih faham lah. Jangan risau, ini tak apa. Okey, lagi?
Madam. Itu je lah, Madam.
Okey, terima kasih.
Okey, Madam.
Next, the last one.